Before restraining action is undertaken, it's essential that the cabin crew concerned have a thorough briefing to clarify all aspects of what they have to do. The briefing covers the equipment to be used. Handcuffs are set by pushing the single bar all the way through the double bar until you no longer hear the ratchets, and then pulling the single bar back. Remind yourself of how you will have to double lock the cuffs with the opposite end of the key to prevent them over-tightening. Handcuffs can also be of the type connected by a short chain, and plastic ties may also be used to secure the wrists. In addition, the passenger will be secured by a body belt, the action of which you're very familiar with.
Once we've got him seated in the seat, and then we'll apply
A leg restraint, the same.
belt around his knees. Okay, once.
You will have been keeping an accurate log of incidents leading up to the decision to apply restraint. It's important that log is continued. And again, it must be stressed that before any action is taken, the flight deck must be kept fully informed.
We've still got a problem with him, and I do actually think he's endangering the passengers in the area. Yes, I mean, we would like to restrain him.
Successful restraint relies on preparation, teamwork, and surprise. Coordination of your movements is therefore very important. The crew member designated to approach from behind gets into position. The person with the restraint kit stays out of immediate sight. The IFS and other crew member approach from the front.
Anything else I can say or do?
No. Leave it out. Will you leave
This
it
is how restraint might happen.
Okay, got one on.
What are you doing? I wasn't complaining that much.
Sorry.
What's going on? Oh. What are you doing to me?
Okay, Lisa, make sure they're not too tight
What are
and
you
lock
doing?
them.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.